So in this video we are going to pick a winner for this beautiful set of DMC Eco Vita threads, and I'm going to show you some other ideas that you can do with this design. Hi everyone, Sarah and Ginger Cat here from Sarah Homfray Embroidery. Welcome to another video. I just want to start with a big thank you to those of you who joined in our Stitching Around the World for World Embroidery Day 24. That's what the map's all about behind me. We had lots of entries this year. We had a mega video, it was really amazing, and lots of you joined in the premiere, the live premiere as well, and we had a little chat about the pieces. If you haven't seen that video yet, do go and check it out, and the other ones from the previous years, because they are absolutely wonderful and well worth the watch. So let's head back to the DMC Eco Vita threads. We'll pick the winner shortly, but I just wanted to show you where you can take a design, because I gave you this design for free. This is on the free stuff page of our website if you'd like to have a go at this design. And I made this using those threads, and I made two versions of this. I made this is the size that I've stitched, and then I made a bigger size as well if you wanted to go a bit bigger. But I wanted to show you where you could take that, because you don't just have to do the design that's printed on the page, you can take little elements of it. So I want to show you that now. So this was the original one that I made, and I'll just pull in my design as well. So the smaller one is the size I actually stitched on the camera, and then I did the larger one. Navigating Ginger Cat here. So I did the larger one as well, because I appreciate sometimes my designs are smaller than you might think. I think they're perfectly normal, and people print them off and they go, they're tiny. So I made a bigger one as well. So this was the one that I actually used. But I want to show you that you can take these elements out and use them individually. So I'm just going to move that to the side and bring this one in. So this was a little project I made a while ago, and I actually made this into a little bag, and we gave the bag away. We gave an actual piece of stitching away. I'll put a picture of it up here, and I did a version of this, and we did it in stranded cottons in variegated threads and silk ribbons, and we gave the bag away, which was really amazing. So I can't show you the bag because I don't have it, but this project is free on the free stuff page on our website. There's loads of designs on there. We give all of our designs away for free, most of them away for free, so do go and check that out. It's really good resource now for lots of different ideas and different designs. So this whole design is on there if you want to have a go at that. But I've just changed it slightly, and I brought in these flowers. So I'll just show you the original sampler next to it. So this is a little sampler I made before I made the bags. We have a video about sampling if you want to know what that is, how to do it, and why you should be doing it too. So you can see the difference in them. So I've just taken it and made this style out of it. So I've just swapped the flower motif over. That's all I've done. The writing is the same. I've just swapped this middle motif over. I just want to show you how to do that quickly. So let's move that out of the way. So I'm going to use the small design as an example. So you've got all of these elements together, but you can just pull the odd element out. So I've got a little piece of tracing paper here and a permanent pen. And I'm just going to put it over the top. Let's take the small one. And you can just trace the individual elements, and you can make them into a new element. So I've just got the one flower, and then I could have this little flower over here. Like that, and then let's do a couple of leaves. Which one shall I do? Let's do that one up there. And then you've just got the parts that make up the whole. So then you can put those parts together and you can make another design. So what I did for this is bring this one back in here. So here's that flower motif, the smallest one I used for this design to fit the size of the design. And then I took this other little one here. Let's bring it in, show you which one it is. So that one, there's the orange one, and then that's the little yellow one that I took for here. So I've placed the larger one in the middle, and I've placed the smaller one on either end, and then I filled in the spaces with the leaves, and then I've kept this line the same. So it's very easy. You don't need to be good at designing. It's just literally replacing one flower for another flower. So just put the large one in the middle and a small one at either end and put the leaves around it. Really not much is changing, and I've done it in the wool thread, and if you did it on a linen fabric then you've got a crewel work design. So you can change these things very easily. So I just wanted to show you how to do that. As I said, this design is on the free stuff page, so you can download that and have a go at it and just change these elements if you want. You can combine these two designs, and then I just want to show you what else you can do with it as well. So we also have these letter designs. So this is Algerian font. This is also free on the free stuff page. And I made these letters, and I did again these little silk ribbon roses. So you could replace the silk ribbon rose motif with the flower one. I've just drawn it very quickly. So you could go up the side of the A there. That would be beautiful. And if I take that out of the way, we've got some more. So there on the B. Curve it around if you wanted to. On the C, you could just curve that shape a little bit and replace it there. So that one is a really nice one to do as well. And then I've got my little silk ribbon heart motif that I did. We have videos on all of these projects, by the way, if you like the project, want to have a go. But again, you can just replace that motif with this motif. So you can mix and match all of these designs. You can mix and match the techniques. So we can go from silk ribbon embroidery to crewel work embroidery very, very simply. So I hope this inspires you to have a little look at the designs, maybe look at your own designs and think, how can I just modify it slightly, change the thread that I'm using and make a completely new piece. So let's do the draw and see who has won this wonderful pack of threads. So there's everything in here to complete the flower project, but they're really beautiful colours. You could use them for lots of different projects. So let's head over to the random winner generator. Random winner generator. It's not easy to say. And see who's won these threads. So well done to Annette Frazier. You have won this set of threads. But wait, we're feeling quite generous today because the YouTube channel is doing so well. Thank you to support for everybody who watches our videos. We have nearly reached 200,000 subscribers. We're not far away. So we thought we're feeling a little bit of a celebratory mood. So we thought we'll give away not one pack, but 2 packs. We're going to give away another one. So let's pull out another winner. So well done, Judy Jackson. You are the second winner of a set of these DMC Eco Vita threads. So we will respond to the comment that you left in the video, and we will leave a comment underneath about how you can get in touch with me. I'll also pin a comment to the top of the video, or you can use the contact page to get in touch with me, and I will tell you how we can get these threads on their way to you. So commiserations if you didn't get your hands on one of these packs of threads, but they are for sale in the shops. We've got these packs that are used for the project, and we've also got the whole entire range of the Eco Vita threads that you can buy individually. So do pop over to the shop and check those out. I'll put the link to the shop in the description below this video. So if you're interested in that sew design that I showed you, the one that I adapted, you can see the original one up here. Do go pop over and check that one out. I'd like to thank everybody for watching. If you've enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.